Hey there. So I have this almost perfect little boy. He's like, his face looks perfect. His is just like everything about him. He's got the perfect outfit. He's clean. He even had this little tag I accidentally just ripped off, but I'm just gonna put a new elastic on. It was on his wrist. The problem, however, if you can see, is his head is dented. So I'm gonna try the first method to undent it and use a hair dryer, and we're gonna see if that hot air will soften his head a little bit. Let me turn this, if I can, let me bring this down so you can watch what I'm doing, and we'll see if that allows me to reshape it. If not, then I'm going to go to the next method, which will be a basin of hot water, and just kind of immerse him in it and kind of move him around. But I'm hoping, because he has such just gorgeous hair and everything, I mean, it will dry, but I'm gonna see how this will work. So I just have a really cute little, I just got this on Amazon. I love it. It's really powerful, so hopefully it's not too powerful, but we'll see what happens. My dog's like over on the other side. She's freaking out by the noise. I can take his head back. Just kind of blowing it on him. And as I'm blowing it, I'm kind of remolding his head a little of a tendency. But actually, just when I notice to cool this down, it's really warm, kind of burning my head, my hand. Let's see if I can get this guy's head. Ooh, this guy down more. Again, what I like about the Cabbage patches, and I've mentioned it in some of my other videos, nothing's a quick fix. So it forces me to slow down. I should have done a before picture and then after picture. I always forget because I'm so concentrated on doing these videos. I think it looks slightly better, but we still need some more. Let me know if you think this is slightly better. I don't know if this is slightly better. I'm going to keep it this method for a while because I don't want to immerse him. I just don't feel like immersing him in water right now. I'm going to see if I keep like maneuvering. I'm going to even look at this some more. I don't look at what I'm doing. I'm trying to like even push on his cheek. Kind of. I'm like pushing on his cheek. To try and reshape his head. I think if I do that, that kind of helps with that better. Although now I feel like he's still, that's still like backed in a little. I'm not sure where I want to, even with hot water, I'm not quite sure where I would be kind of pushing in. His head is really hard. The cheek not so much. Now that I can really move this now from getting it so hot, but I feel like it's really off. I'm going to try pushing it from his other side, see if I can make it Gonna move it over more. It's looking a little bit better. I feel like this side is still dented. Move it over more. I can't really, maybe if I concentrate on the top of his head, I'll be able to like push this side of his head down. Trying to hit it away. Push this out, but I'm trying not to make it worse. I've caused dents in other places. I mean, I think he looks a little bit better, but he definitely still, poor guy, he's kind of like sagged, he's got like Bell's palsy or something. You can see, he's perfect in every other way. Too hot for my own hands. And like I can fly his cheek, but I can't get it, like push it to stay there in place. Because that would, I mean, I don't want to make a dent on his cheek, but that would make like his head kind of get that dent out of his head. I if I blast it again for a minute. That looks good to me. And now I'm just wondering if I just kind of hold it here for a few minutes till maybe it cools down. He cools down, and see if it kind of stays. Because now even just doing that, because I can feel how pliable that got, but I was still having such a hard time that I'm not even sure that the hot water would keep it there. I'm just holding it with my hands, just seeing if once he cools down, and actually probably should shut my heater off, which is right here next to me, that if he cools down, when his head cools down, I mean, it's not hot, but it's warm. And maybe if it cools down, because I mean, I'm holding him like this right now. I don't want to do that the whole time, but or to have to make it be the only way that his head stays. But I'm wondering as he cools down if it will kind of stay. For those of you who have done it under hot water, let me know if that really made a difference. Because I got some suggestions of doing with hot water, immersing him in hot water, and then just like pushing it around and molding, or to use the hair dryer. My hair dryer was very warm, like really warm, like it was hurting my hands. And I could definitely feel that, you know, I was able to like, I can hear the air in there. I was able to like push things around, but I don't feel like it actually did anything. Like I feel like right here needs to be just like puffed out a little because it was dented in. And I don't know how to keep him that way. Let me see. I mean, that's definitely better. He's definitely better. I still see a little dent, but I think he's better. So I wish I did a before picture. I'm going to scroll back, see if I can get just like screenshot, like a still image from the beginning of this to compare. Because otherwise, this little guy, I got to give him a name. But he's absolutely adorable, and he's in pristine condition. He's in absolutely pristine condition. His only issue is, and it does look like it's starting to slowly go back. His eye's starting to droop again, this poor guy. He's just got this like little dent. I don't think it's as bad as it was. and I'm gonna go try to grab a still picture. So, love to hear your thoughts.